Hi friends, welcome back to my video. Today's topic is respiration in other organisms. Come, let's go into the video. Respiration in organisms. How do other organisms breathe? Do they all use lungs to breathe like us? Let us find out. Different organisms have different way of respiration. Animals such as reptiles and mammals use lungs to respire, while animals like fish use gills and earthworms use their skin. Let us see them all one by one. Respiration in frog. Amphibians such as frogs use more than one organ of respiration during their life. They breathe through gills while they are tadpoles. Mature frogs breathe mainly with lungs and also exchange gas with the environment through gills. The frog has two respiratory surfaces on its body that it uses to exchange gas with the surroundings, their skin and in their lungs. While completely submerged, all the frog's respiration takes place through the skin, and in the land they breathe through lungs. Respiration in fish. A majority of aquatic animals like fish and prawns breathe through special organs called gills. Gills are projections of skin that help in using oxygen dissolved in water. Gills contain blood vessels which help in exchange of gases. Fish lives in water. To get oxygen dissolved in water, it gulps water through mouth and pumps it over the gills. Water passes into the gill chamber through gill slits. In each chamber, the water passes over the filaments. They absorb oxygen from the water and replace it with the carbon dioxide which is formed in them. The water then passes out through the gills and the opening. This process is repeated again and again. Respiration in chicken. A bird has air sacs throughout its body. They do not have muscular diaphragm which acts as a bellows drawing air in and out. The far more complex respiratory system of chicken ensures it always has fresh oxygen flowing through it. The system is made up of nose, throat, trachea, lungs, air sac, and cert. Respiration in earthworm. Earthworms use their skin for exchange of gases. The skin of earthworm is very thin and moist. It feels very slimy on touching. Many blood cells are spread on this skin. These blood are known as capillaries. The exchange of gases occurs at capillaries. They die of suffocation if their skin is dried out. Tapeworm and leeches also use this type of respiration. Respiration in cockroach. In insects like cockroaches, transportation of gas or gaseous exchange takes place by a special type of fine tube called trachea. Air containing oxygen enters through the spiracles into the tracheal tubes. It then diffuses into the body tissue and reaches every cell in the body. Carbon dioxide released from the cells goes into tracheal tubes and come out through spiracles. This type of respiration is found in grasshopper also. Respiration in caterpillar. Adult butterflies as well as caterpillars breathe through a series of tiny openings along the side of their bodies called spiracles. From each spiracle, a tube called a trachea carries oxygen into their body. Respiration in spider. Spiders are unique regarding their respiratory system. They are the only animal group that breathes simultaneously with lungs and in trachea. Looking at the physiology of respiration, the existence of trachea plays an important role in spiders with a well-developed tracheal system. Trachea allow the passage of air and open directly into the surface through small holes called spiracles. Some spiders only have trachea and no lungs. Respiration in whales. Whales are mammals and breathe air into their lungs, just like we do. They cannot breathe underwater like fish can as they do not have lungs. They breathe through nostrils called a blowhole located right on the top of their head. The longest ever recorded dive by a whale was made by Cuvier's big whale. It lasted 222 minutes. Other whales can also hold up their breath very long time. A sperm whale can spend around 90 minutes hunting underwater before they have to come back to the surface to breathe. Respiration in octopus. An octopus breathes in the same manner that all fish breathe, which is through gills. The octopus gills are located inside the mantle cavity and exit to the outside of the body. The oxygen requirements of octopus are greater than those required by other fish. Octopuses have 3 hearts, 2 of which pump blood across 2 gills and oxygen exchange takes place. They cannot survive on dry land for a long time because they don't possess respiration in sponges. A sponge gets its oxygen from water too. The water containing oxygen which moves from water to its sponge cells is a process known as diffusion. The respiratory organs are lacking in sponges. Oxygen is supplied by a direct exchange between the tissues and the surrounding water. Thank you. We'll meet you in the next video with a new topic, process involved in making wool and silk. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, share and leave a comment below if you found this useful. Tata until next video.